Today on Wild Buffalo, second row this time.
That's the show.
There's a show going on over there now. Oops, we're stopped.
On s'arrête. Non, pas.
Maybe they've stopped to let us watch the show, Leo.
Let's see what happens. We'll see all done as well.
Far away for the cameras to pick up, I think.
Suite à l'arrêt de l'attraction, nous vous prions de bien vouloir rester correctement assis en attendant l'arrivée de l'équipe technique. Merci de votre compréhension.
Watching the show!
Maybe we'll get an evacuation. In which case it'll be my first ever coaster evacuation. If that happens.
At least we get to watch the show though, that's brilliant.
It's a train coming now. There's a train coming, isn't there?
Dans la montée. On attend les techniciens.
Why is someone standing on the train?
Du coup, on voit le spectacle, du coup, regarde. Le White Buffalo. Regarde, du coup, on voit le spectacle.
Oh, it's like shooting now.
What, they stopped the train?
Yeah, well, we're getting an evac on Wild Buffalo here.
Ooh, look at the horses.
Here, Leo, after releasing something for the harness. Getting an evac, Leo. Something new. You okay?
Yeah.
Yes,
You okay?
Yeah.
You right there? Evacuation.
Donne-moi ton sac. Voilà. Léger, tu les attends? On remonte après.
No. Looks like they're letting everybody off the one side first.
Il faut que j'aille de l'autre côté, je peux pas traverser. Ah, mais je suis obligé d'ouvrir là en par contre.
He's just got some kind of a bar which is he's using underneath, which obviously releases the lock-in mechanism for the lap bars. Which he's done for Leo on his side, and he's now gone down the side of the lift hill on the one side. And I've got to wait for him to come and do this side. Nice family coasters have an evac on. Not too high. Probably a completely different experience if I was getting an evac on Zarda or something, or Hyperia. Just coming now to unhitch our harnesses. Harnesses, lap bars I mean. Ok, merci. That way.
Ça va aller, madame?
Okay.
Je vais vous aider.
Merci. Thank you, merci beaucoup.
Ah bah oui, bah, vous avez vu hein.
Ouais.
commence à descendre. 2 par 2, c'est mieux. Ça s'arrête. Je ferme la marche. Allez-y. Je ferme la marche.
Merci. It's Claire. It's like Claire's filming me over there. Here we go, walking down the lift hill. First time I've ever done this. It's not different if it was on Hyperia or Zardra though. Probably wouldn't have been quite so calm. Oops.
What's going on? Bobby!
Yeah? Merci. Here you are, we've had our first evac. First ever coaster evacuation here. Now it's starting to rain, so they got us off just in time, I think. Would have been sitting there getting soaking wet.
I was enjoying the show too. Enjoying it. Oh, thank you. Get a last one.
Can't take you to anywhere, can we?
Broke it!
Say hi to Instagram your life.
Hi!
I've been stuck.
First coaster evac.
At least we got to
I can't believe that happened to you.
Like I was saying, I don't think I'd been quite as calm walking down if it had been on Hyperia or Zardra or something. But,
I was thinking you look really calm coming down.